Hey, I just wanted to come on here and give an update on my dahlias and show you guys how they're doing. So last night I came out here to check on them and all my other plants and to see if the soil was a little dry on my dahlias, just to check on it. And I was so delighted to see that my dahlias are starting to emerge from the soil. I was even more surprised to see that it was one of the last two that I had planted, which I was like crazy. 2 days later, I planted two, and the other 8 are slowly coming through, but not all of them. So I was very impressed. So let me show you what's going on. Let's see. So right there, you can see I have a little bit of growth. It's sprouting out of the soil. So at night, there's not much lighting, so I don't have a lot of light out here, and I don't like to turn on the lights because some of the people that live in the house are sleeping. So I lightly brushed the soil to make sure my eyes weren't playing tricks on me, and that is what I found. So right now, while I was coming out here and checking on them, I see that I have another really tiny sprout there. Some of the other ones aren't sprouting, but here's hoping. And we have an even bigger sprout right there. I can't believe it. I'm really excited about this. It overjoys me to know that I'm doing things right. This process has been a little stressful due to the fact that we had extreme amounts of rain 2 days after I planted 8 of these. So I was so afraid that they were going to rot, that they were going to get too much water, and that I wasn't going to have any flowers, which would have upset me so much. Also, some of the tubers were shipped were questionable. Some had mold and some were dry and breaking in half and were just horrible. So I was just hoping that I get something over here, and I'm just excited that I got a little bit. Again, I guess a little bit is better than nothing. Let's see, these aren't really doing anything yet, these first two, but then we got this one, which was my third one to plant, which I said we got a little bit bigger. And then this one's got nothing. Again, nothing. But this one we got a little bit, right there, a little speck. And over here is the biggest one. And I'm just impressed on how this is 2 that I planted. This one and this one are 2 that I planted 2 days after I planted the 8, and this one's growing pretty big. So here's hoping. I thought I'd show some of our herbs that we got going. So they're still going pretty good. I still need to plant 2 more things over here. I'm not sure what yet, but this is pretty cool too. So these are seeds that I started, and they're going to be sunflower seeds. And I can't wait to see how they look and how they turn out. I was very impressed in those too. Over here, I did plant some radishes. I don't know if we have any yet. I'm not sure. I know this is a weed right here. Get rid of that. These are weeds. Anything towards the outside or edge is weeds, I know for a fact. And then we're getting little buds, which I think is so cool. I have never had little buds on my onions. This is my chives, and I've never had buds, and I didn't know you could eat them. And they're purple when they grow, so I can't wait to see them. This is a first for me. Like I said, I've never had any. And over here we got some broccoli, so hopefully soon we'll get some. Here are 3 of the tubers that were questionable. I just threw them in here in hopes that maybe they'll do something. I don't know anymore. I think these are kind of dry and maybe dead, but I'm not giving up hope. And then this is a jalapeno hot pepper that we got growing. This one got bit on a little bit. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to cut some of it. And I don't know yet, but this is a red pepper. Then we have a green pepper, and we have 2 tomato plants. Again, I had to net everything. My sister-in-law just came out and said that she saw the squirrels in my plants, and she was knocking on the window to try to get them to go away. I'm hoping that the netting is helping deter them, but unfortunately, pests are going to be pests, and we're going to have no choice but to just deal with them. But I'd like to say thank you for signing on and checking out my channel. If you really like my content, please subscribe. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to me. Yesterday I hit 100 subscribers and I was just excited and ecstatic. And some people are probably saying, really, just 100 and you're so excited? But for me, that's a big milestone. I've been doing this since December, trying to get subscribers and just trying to grow my channel. And for me, that is a big win. So I hope to get more people to subscribe. My upcoming videos is going to be one on my tent. I broke my tent on my last hike, so I'm going to have a new tent that I just got to update and show you guys that tent. It's another Nemo. It's a different one than the one I had previously, so I'm looking forward to setting that up in my upstate property. I also plan on showing you my upstate property and where I plan on growing my farm when in 2029 I finally am retired and are able to grow a flower farm on our property upstate. So please check out those videos that are upcoming and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it, and I want to thank everybody again for helping me grow. Thanks. Bye. Again, this is my onion plant, my chives. I just wanted to say that you learn something new every day. I didn't know purple flowers came on these and that they were edible. So being a new person to growing, it's very awesome to find out new things, and I'm just grateful for learning at this point in time. Thanks for watching, everybody. One more thing, better clothes. Don't wear white when gardening. Fruit for thought.